Hello, people. How are you doing? It's me again. Now we're in this class today. We'll talk about numbers, right? Um, it's not my favorite subject. Actually, I did literature and languages exactly to run from numbers and calculation and things like that. But here I'll bring some basic about number and English. Okay, so let's check it out. Um, so the exercise one, say the numbers in English, write them down. So you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Here they are, the way they are written. Okay, sometimes 0 is pronounced O, and it's interesting because I I guess this is a connection between the form of the zero and the form of letter O. So when you look at them, they look the same sometimes. Um, and here we have the primitive forms of the numbers that we used. And this is a question that I had, why the numbers have this form? So I was just look at the numbers and this when I was a kid, right? I don't know, teenage years, maybe our age. I was looking to the math test and I was tripping out and I say, wait a minute, but why two is draw like that? Why seven has this shape, right? And by my, I stay, I don't know, a long time thinking, and I got to my knowledge, each form of numbers relates to the quantity of angles, right? So I say, wait a minute, one, because, okay, there's an angle here, two angles, three, and whatever. Um, and it's interesting because it shows that this kind of information is structurally made. It's not a convention for a convention. Okay. All right. So here we share like the cardinal and ordinal numbers. So the cardinal, it's like as you can see here is the first. The first ones are cardinal, and you have a slash, and the second is the ordinal form. Okay. So for one, you have first, two, second, so on, so on, so on. And then in the second column, you have like after 10 to 20. Okay, so the main difference is in the ordinal numbers here after 10. It's because you have this th at the end. For example, 14 in 14th. And this pronunciation is not quite familiar for us Brazilian Portuguese speakers, right? But this is the way it's shown in English. We have here more cardinal and ordinal numbers, like for 30, 30th, 60, 60th, and so on. And then you have the numbers not with the not just the whole tenth, but for example, 33, 57, 81. So they are all cardinals here. Okay. Um, And here we have the image of this guy that was named by, he was a pope, and his name was Bento the 16th. So he was the 16th want to be called Bento, I guess. Then we have ordinal numbers here like 27th, 71st, 32nd, 63rd, 55th, 47th. Okay. And then you see because ordinal numbers, sometimes they are even difficult in Brazilian Portuguese. Some people they don't know very well, it's not very well spread information, right? But for example, if you take this picture is for the São Silvestre Marathon, and we have, I guess, hundreds of people running. Okay, so then you have a long list of ordering people to say it. Okay, we go on. So we have 100, 900, 1,000. I stop in 1 million. Okay, because then we have billion, trillion, whatever. They are pretty similar to Brazilian Portuguese. Okay, and the difference you see the ordinal you have hundreds, thousands. So this th is almost it's not so common for us to, but it's just training. You can do it. Anyone can do it. So we have here an exercise. Write in full the following numbers, and you see the three first numbers. They are cardinal, and the other ones they are ordinal. Okay, so you can stop your video here, just take notes and try to answer because we have the answers here. So 145, 13,346, and 5,756,950. And the ordinal numbers, third, 60th, 170th, and 1,459th. Okay, so uh, today we talk a little bit about numbers. So hope to see you so.